BST News. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State. Let's have a look on headlines. Members of BSG India showed the scouting guiding spirit during the second wave coronavirus and putting hands together all over the nation to fight against COVID-19. Hazaribagh district of Jharkhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides observed International Labour Day. A virtual webinar on U-Report, a project of UNICEF, was organized by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 30th April 2021, which was inaugurated by Dr. Kali Prasad Mishra, National Vice President and State Chief Commissioner of Odisha State. The Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway Badarpur District Association is working on Plastic Tide Turners Challenge. Rovers and Rangers were working together to make a better environment and better world. Second episode of Vyanjana cooking workshop was successfully conducted by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Virtual district level Rajya Puraskar testing camp was organized by Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Scouting Waves, the digital e-paper of the Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka, regularly published for the benefit of Scouts and Guides. Sankalp 2.0 to create a better tomorrow, a special youth engagement activity for Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers and unit leaders launched by BSG India on 6th May 2021. News in brief. India has been hit by second wave coronavirus. During these difficult times, Scouts and Guides coming forward to help the community. Karur district of Tamil Nadu state has set up a disaster management control room with the support of Bharani Park Scouts and Guides with mission Nation First, Service First. About 100 Scouts and Guides were involved in the routine duty from the beginning of April 2021. Adityapur Local Association of South Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides successfully organized an awareness rally program on COVID-19 at Adityapur Railway Colony on 3rd May 2021 for creating local awareness on COVID pandemic. They are sanitizing various places of Adityapur and are distributing leaflets for creating social awareness. SMS challenge and mask distributed by Amrit Prabha Ranger Team, JN College, Boko at Dakwapura Village, Kamrup, Assam. The Rangers are taking initiatives to create awareness through social media and visiting door to door under the leadership of Mrs. Bijaya Deka, Ranger Leader. COVID awareness campaign by Mizoram State Bharat Scouts and Guides. The Bharat Scouts and Guides took active initiatives to support the administration and creating awareness, sharing different brochures. Mass prayer organized by Tripura State Bharat Scouts and Guides, lighting candle and pray for the departed soul, also for the COVID-free world. NF Railway creating awareness against COVID-19 through social media. Chayar Education District conducted Corona Awareness Program on 29th April 2021 at Tiruvannamalai District of Tamil Nadu. Rovers, Rangers and unit leaders of Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides are given continuous service during this lockdown period. Don Bosco Anbulam Scout Troop Open Unit of Don Bosco District, Chennai, organized the awareness campaign on corona safety at Chennai Central Railway Station along with the UNICEF and Southern Railway. International Workers' Day, also known as Labour Day, is a celebration of labourers and working people that is promoted by the International Labour Movement, and it is celebrated on May 1st every year as Martyrs' Day. With this view, members of Hazaribagh district of Jharkhand State Bharat Scouts and Guides observed International Labour's Day by creating awareness and also presented a token of love to housemates and domestic helpers. A virtual webinar on U-Report was organized by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 30th April 2021 from 3 p.m. at Google Meet. The webinar was virtually inaugurated by Dr. Kali Prasad Mishra, National Vice President and State Chief Commissioner of Odisha State. More than 150 participants joined and have learned how to create their U-Report IDs and shared skill ideas through this India Voice Matter program, that is U-Report. The Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway Badapur District Association is working on Plastic Tide Turners Challenge. Rovers and Rangers are working together to make a change for a better environment and better world. On 30th April 2021, the second episode of Byanjana program cooking workshop was successfully conducted by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides, in which Mrs. Anamika Das, State Organizing Commissioner Guide, demonstrated how to make tandoori chicken without tandoor. More than 100 participants joined and learned the procedure of making tandoori chicken. First phase written exam of district level virtual Rajya Puraskar testing was successfully conducted by Kanchapara District Association of Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. During the testing, written test of Pravesh, Pratham Sofan, Dvitiya Sofan, Tritiya Sofan and Rajya Puraskar were conducted, in which 28 prospective candidates participated under the leadership of Mr. Saman Saha, training counselor for Scouts. The Scouts and Guides of Arunachal Pradesh enjoying the scouting skill cooking in open air. Maharshi district conducted second online refresher course for Scout Master and Guide Captains on 5th May 2021 at Zoom Online. 55 unit leaders, 5 staff members were participated. Scouting Waves, the digital e-paper of the Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka, regularly published for the benefit of Scouts and Guides. The e-paper, able to achieve its mission in last 230 issues and welcomed by most of the members of BSG. Sankalp 2.0, to create a better tomorrow, a special youth engagement activity for Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers and unit leaders launched by BSG India. Mission of the project to engage youth at home during the challenging time of COVID-19 pandemic and inspire them to spend a quality time with their family. One can learn and participate in various challenge activities and enjoy his or her staying at home. In this regard, here is a live interview with the director of BST.
Dear Scout, Guides, Rovers, Rangers and all the leaders, all of you will be happy to know that the Sankalp 2 has been launched and the circular number 50 has been issued. And now all of you can participate from your home for this project, and this time more attractive activities has been included in the Sankalp 2. If you see, total 17 activities has been provided, and out of 17, 12 activities has to be done, and there are 5 activities which is compulsory to be done in this project. So please go to our website, see the circular number 50 and register yourself with the state and do the activities. Secondly, as you know that this time COVID second layer is very dangerous, so we suggest that all the activities should be done very carefully by using the mask as well as the proper sanitization and also proper care of not only yourself but also for the others. So, welcome to you all in this Sankalp project. Thank you.
Upcoming events. To beat the COVID-19 fear and engage the member, BSG India coming with a number of virtual events in coming days. 28 May, Menstrual Hygiene Day Celebration 2021. Refer NHQ Circular number 48. 14th World Scout Youth Forum virtually. Refer NHQ Circular number 45 and 46. 32nd Asia Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree 2021. Last date to apply is 31st May 2021. Refer NHQ Circular number 16 and 42. World Scout Moot Ireland 2022. Last date to apply is 15th May 2021. Refer NHQ Circular number 36. This is all for today's news. Please everyone stay safe and stay home. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State signing off. Thank you.